Ow! Fuck! What's going on, guys? It's Frost, and welcome to today's video. Now, you guys probably have seen on Twitter the whole hashtag Mcchicken thing. And in case you're wondering what it is, it's literally just a guy jerking it with a McChicken. What makes someone think that it would be okay and feel good to put your dick in a McChicken? I caught like 3 seconds of the video and clicked off of it. My girlfriend, on the other hand, hasn't seen the video.
Hello?
What are you doing?
I'm snuggled up in my room.
Come to my room.
Okay, hold on.
Hurry.
Hurry.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I gotta go pee.
Okay. Have you seen, like, you don't have Twitter, do you?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, there's this, hashtag that's been going around.
What is it?
Hashtag McChicken.
Is it the one where the chickens get chopped up?
No, it's this.
Did I look?
Yeah.
Why am I watching that? That's so freaking disgusting. Why would someone do that? I don't want to watch that. I thought it was going to be a cute video. That's so freaking disgusting. Thought it was going to be some awesome video you were going to show me and I was going to giggle. I'm going to be cute like a rabbit or something. Ew. James shows me a video with a guy jacking off a McChicken.
Love you. That's all I need to do for it.
Oh, great. Okay, I can just leave now. No, I'm gonna stay in your freaking chair. No, put me down. Put me down. Do
Nope.
not. No. James.
There you go. Problem solved. Just call Tori and tell her to come over here.
Hey, dude, what are you doing? I come over to James' room and watch this really cool video real quick. No, like it's really good. That's why he came over here and showed me. Alrighty, I'll see you in a minute. Alright, bye. Come in. Oh, guess it's not
Oh,
up. Sorry. My bad.
I was like,
I thought it was unlocked. I told her.
I literally asked him and I was like, is it unlocked? And he's like, no. Or he's like, yeah. And I was like, okay, come in.
Okay, close your eyes.
what are you gonna do?
I'm not gonna do
No, really,
anything.
it's
It's
fine.
just,
Alright.
it's just,
It's just his fries.
Do you have Twitter or anything?
Mm-hmm.
You do have a Twitter? Have you ever seen like the McChicken trending thing?
No.
Okay, well, like there's like hashtag McChicken trending.
Look.
That's why.
Really? Why am I over here watching this, Haley?
Because I got tricked into doing the same thing.
Wow.
So she tricked you into doing it.
Wow.
I know, I was really disgusted.
Wow. Alright.
I'm leaving.
Ever.
I'll be there in a minute.
I'm gonna do laundry.
Okay. Bye, Tori.
Wow.
Bye, Tori.
Bye.
But that's going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. And if you guys think that I should make more of these videos, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me or comment down in the comment section. Also, if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. It's going to help me out a lot. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.